One of the most common questions we get from new business owners relates to trademark symbols and what trademark symbols should they be using in their advertising. And so I created this little video to kind of clear up any misconceptions about trademark symbols. So there's basically two symbols that you would be familiar with or that are available to brand owners. One is the R in a circle, and one is the little TM in superscript. You can kind of take a look online and see different instances of use with respect to both of these symbols. So the R in a circle means that you have a registered trademark. So a government has given you a certificate of registration for your trademark. That means you've gone through the trademark application process and have been granted a registration for a certain number of years. That's when you would be using the R in a circle in your advertising. For everybody else, you should be using the TM in superscript. And there is the most common misconception that we see is that you can only use that TM if you have a pending trademark application. So you have filed your application and you're waiting for it to issue to registration, kind of like patent pending for your trademark. This is actually false. You can use the TM symbol regardless of whether you have filed a trademark application. I mean, everybody should file applications for their names and their logos, but even if you don't, use the TM symbol. It's just basically telling the world that this is a trademark. Underneath, the subtext of that is this is an unregistered trademark. So use the TM symbol for names, for logos, for taglines that you have not taken the steps to register, or you don't have a registration, but you still want to claim them as proprietary. So TM symbol for everybody, R in a circle for those lucky ones that have gone through the application process and have received a registration for their trademark.